Hello friends, hello viewers. Welcome. We are visiting our one of prominent customers plant which is located at Delhi NCR region. Our client has adopted smart factory concept and revolutionizing shop floor operations with implementation of Industry 4.0 and traceability solutions. Implementation of IoT technology is helping our client to address various issues like data manipulation, rework of create reports or error in data, miscommunication, delay in information. Let's start complete walkthrough of this application. System is designed to capture raw material inward entries, raw material assurance, job card creation by PPC, bin creation and movement, production, rejections. This is a walkthrough of shop floor where various type of machines are installed like CNC, VMC, induction hardening. To achieve digitization goal of an organization, touchscreen based all-in-one PCs are installed at shop floor. Operators can view work instruction and check sheets through this touchscreen based display units. Operator can also update the check sheet data digitally through touchscreens. Raw material entry module. First module is raw material entry module. It comprises all raw material inward related entries which needs to be done based on raw material invoice received from vendor. User updates vendor name, material description, material type, material grade, heat number, quantity through this module. These entries will be mapped with raw material inventory and inventory dashboard and reports are updated in real time. After completion of raw material inward entries, QR code label is printed, which needs to be fixed at raw material for identification and assurance purposes. Job card creation module. Next module is job card creation module. PPC team member creates a job card based on customer part number. During job card creation, PPC team selects part number. Based on part number material description, material type, grade and heat numbers populates automatically. PPC team member puts the required quantity and creates the job card. Material issuance process. This job card is now visible for material issuance at store level. To issue required material, store person selects the respective job card and puts the issue quantity in handheld device and scans QR code label which is pasted over the material and issue the material. After material issuance, inventory dashboard and reports are updated accordingly. OP10 cutting process. Next operation is OP10, which is cutting process. Operator selects the job card number from drop-down menu and starts working on it. Operator updates the required input fields. Operator can select the work instructions by touching respective tab. Operator can select the check sheet by touching respective tab. Setup approval, check sheet updating. Operator updates the required input fields. Setup approval check sheet is populated based on mapped fields. Operator checks the machine setup and updates the observation in setup approval check sheet. Operator checks the points and updates the in-process check sheet. After completion of OP10 process, operator opts for complete the process button. To create bin QR code, click on create bin and print QR label. OP20 process. Operator selects the operation and scan bin QR code received at his end of processing. Operator updated the required input fields to start processing. Operator updates completed quantity, rejection quantity, rejection reason. Operator selects work instruction, updates setup approval report, updates in process check sheet and complete the operation and move to next operation. Shop floor walkthrough. Let's have a look of setup done at various stations at shop floor. This solution is helping our client to see automated dashboards and get real-time inventory status. It is creating POCA UK mechanism for raw material assurance. This system is empowering our client to establish centralized control of material insurance. This is helping to reduce transit time of information and providing real-time data visibility and tracking. This system is supporting to improve communication among the departments and stakeholders. It is supporting to reduce chances of errors due to live work instructions. It is providing insight in real time due to live data availability on server. Users are able to generate real-time production and rejection reports. So friends, how was the walkthrough of Smart Factory? Hopefully you enjoyed it and it was helpful for you to understand the need of Industry 4.0 and traceability solutions at your shop floor also. For more details, you can visit our official website or connect our sales team as mentioned here.